Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Netskope for cloud security step by step clearly. Begin by accessing the Netskope website. Log into your Netskope account using your credentials. Navigate to the admin console to start the configuration process. Select the settings option from the left-hand menu. Click on Cloud Security to open the relevant section. Review the existing configurations to understand the current setup. Click on Add New to create a new cloud security policy. Choose the type of policy you wish to configure. Enter a descriptive name for your new policy. Set the policy type based on your security needs. Define the scope of users or groups this policy will apply to. Choose the cloud services you want to include in this policy. Specify the actions to take if a violation occurs. Define any exceptions or conditions needed for the policy. Review the settings for accuracy before saving. Click on Save to implement the new cloud security policy. Navigate to the dashboard to monitor policy effectiveness. Regularly review logs and reports to ensure compliance and security. Adjust settings as necessary based on analysis and feedback. Maintain regular updates to your configuration as cloud services evolve. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.